friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Nightmare Critter, Allister Gator in Incredibox Sprunki style. So first we're going to get started with our eyes, and on the left hand side we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Now as we leave a gap moving over on the right, we're going to replicate that. Now in the top, we're going to close this off by curving this line across towards the right, as well as on the left. And then now for the pupil of the eye, we're going to curve this around and then back in on the top. Let's draw on our eyebrows now, so we're going to arch this line across on both sides. And now on the top from that corner, we're going to curve this line around and then back down. Now let's draw in our nose. So we're going to start on the top, curving this line around and then over. Underneath, curving this line in on both sides. And then for the nostril, we're just going to flare this out towards the side. Now let's draw on the shape of the head. So we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. So right in the middle on the top, we're going to curve this line all the way around and then in on the bottom. And then starting in the center again, we're going to replicate that, bringing this line all the way around and underneath. Now we're going to draw in our mouth. So from the center, we're going to curve this line across on both sides. We're going to draw in a curved diagonal line that comes out. And then again from here, we're just going to curve this line up slightly on both sides. And then now from here on the bottom, we're just going to arch this line down. We're going to draw in some fangs here. So from the corner, we're going to bring in this line down and then up. Now on the top of the head, we're going to draw in a triangle. So we're going to bring this line up, curving that at the point, bringing that back down on the right. Let's move over on the left behind, making that smaller, replicating that. And then again, one last time, making that even smaller, bringing that down. Now let's draw on the torso. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes down towards the bottom, ending it at the same height. We're going to close this off with a straight line. In the center now, for the bones, we're going to draw in the letter V in the middle. We're going to leave a gap, replicating that on the right as well as on the left. And then we're going to flip upside down and replicate that one more time on the bottom. Now that we have our X in place in the middle, on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then from the center, again, just curving this line around and then back through on the bottom. We're going to replicate that as we come down. So on that line, bringing that in towards the center. And then again, curving this line around and then through at that point. And then we're going to draw in two diagonal lines, bringing that in towards the corner. Coming down now, let's curve this line across from left to right. Moving underneath, let's replicate that. Leaving a gap, let's move down. And then again, one more time. Now we're going to draw in the tail. So on the right-hand side first, we're going to draw in a curved line. And then we're just going to create a small triangle, bringing that down. To the right of this, we're going to arch this line around and then through. Then we're going to curve this line through on the top. On the left-hand side now, again, curving this line out, creating that triangle, bringing this line up and then down. Now moving over on the left, we're going to curve this line out And then again, just bringing this line up, back down. Let's close off the back of the tail now. So we're going to connect these together with a curved line, bringing that down on the side. And then now from here, we're going to curve this line up and over. And then moving up again one more time, we're just going to replicate that, curving that line out. And that is it. That's how you draw Allister Gator in Incredibox Sprunki style. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.